Hello, I'm Steve Gauss. I'm Director of the Rolling Meadows Chamber of Commerce. I just want to welcome Tangerine Mountain to the Rolling Meadows business community, to the community here. We're thrilled to have them here. Such beautiful garments and so on. I'm interested in learning more. You know, we're so happy to have you here and happy to welcome you to Rolling Meadows.
Thank you.
We're thrilled to be here.
Yes, it's been very welcoming. We love it.
Yes.
Good, good.
I have to say, I'm actually really quite thrilled that all of you are here. I wasn't originally thinking that as many people were going to be able to show up because it's a Monday. I'm thrilled that I'm wrong. So thank you all very much for coming.
Thank you for spending your Monday with us.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, if you're going to spend a Monday anywhere, I think this is a pretty happy place.
I think so.
So, for those of you who are here for the first time, we're Tangerine Mountain Imports and Designs. We started off with very humble beginnings in Terry's basement in Roselle, this side of about 8 years ago. And since that time, we're actually very proud to say that we've grown to become the largest vintage importer of traditional Japanese garments here to the United States. So, thank you. If you couldn't tell from walking in and seeing everything and everyone, we're pretty passionate about what we do. And the reason why is because kimono matters. I know that it may be slightly odd to think about if you're not used to thinking of, you know, fashion in general, let alone foreign fashion. But kimono matters. And the reason why. In fact, I'm actually going to tell you a little bit about Kimono Day in general to show why. So back at 1964, I believe, for the Olympics, people went over to Japan. And the Olympics, as we know, it's supposed to be a gathering of people from around the world finding commonality with each other and celebrating sport. But when Westerners came to Japan, there was this outcry for knowledge about kimono and Japanese culture, saying, we want to know more. This is so different and unusual. We want to learn more. But the important thing isn't just that they wanted to know about kimono. They wanted to learn about Japan. They wanted to learn about people who were different than themselves. And I think that's why we are so passionate about kimono. I mean, to be real, looking around, yes, they're beautiful garments. They're amazingly constructed. There are over 1,000 processes that go into creating a single garment, which especially in today's world of fast fashion, that's kind of mind-boggling to think about. But the more important thing to us, at least to me, I think for you too, but the more important thing is that kimono can bring people together. I mean, look at this group. I mean, I know that some of you have never encountered kimono before today.
Here you are.
And here you are. And yet there are people who are literally masters of kimono that are here today as well. And the fact of the matter is that we would not be here to share our passion and to share our love of Japan and kimono if it weren't for all of us coming together today to realize that this matters. We live in a day and age where being able to learn about other people is more important. Now more than ever. Our world is getting smaller. So it behooves us, it's required of us to try to learn more about the people that we're coming in closer proximity to. And if we can do that through cultural exchange through kimono, then I think we can all probably look pretty fabulous while doing it. So I want to thank everyone for coming. It means the world to me that you're here. It means the world to all of us that you're here. And I welcome you all to the Tangerine family.
Maybe we would like to welcome the mayor, Joe Gallo,
That would be lovely.
to also come in and
Absolutely. Would you like to say a
make
few
it
words?
official.
Hello, everybody. Happy Monday afternoon. I'm Mayor Joe Gallo. I just want to wish you guys the best of success. I think it's a fascinating subject, specifically about upcycling, before that was even a known phrase or term. It's something that's ingrained in the culture and the aspects of the textile. So I wish you guys the greatest.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
There's a couple of other aldermen here. Does the alderman want to step forward?
Yeah, if any of them want to
Okay, you're gonna do great. We're here. When things go bad, you just call us, okay?
All right, sounds
Okay.
good.
No,
Thank you.
Nothing will go bad.
No.
Okay, it's all good.
Everything has been so fantastic here.
Oh my God, yes.
I have no doubt that everything is just going to be awesome. So
Yeah.
thank you all very, very much for making this community such a welcoming place for a business like ours. We're a little business. We're an unusual business. You probably haven't run into much out there that's quite like us, but we really appreciate that you've been so welcoming to us and not just kind of looking at us like, huh, you guys are kind of weird. Huh. What box do we put you in? So you guys have been very welcoming, very open-minded, and very appreciative of the idea of cultural exchange. So I really appreciate that very, very much from everybody here from Rolling Meadows.
Thank you.
So shall we get our Tangerine family and the city officials all up here for big
A photo?
and then
Yes.
the ribbon cutting?
Yes.
All right, sounds
Now-
good.
Really quick before we do, I have a request. If that's okay.
This is a request.
This
It's
is-
an easy
this-
one.
Yes.
It's an easy one.
It's a very easy one.
We're gonna teach you guys a line
Yes.
to say.
So in our business, when we're normally on the road, there's a saying that we usually say to our customers, and then they usually say back to us. And it's kind of how we can all identify that we've all, been friends with each other. So we as people, do you kimono? And then
Because kimono is not just something that you wear. It's something that you can do.
You can do.
You can upcycle, you can mix fashion,
Mhm.
you can learn about kimono, you can study kimono. There are so many ways that you can bring kimono into your life. So that's why we say,
do you
do
kimono?
you kimono?
And then everybody in reply says, yukata do it.
Yukata is a type of kimono.
Yes, it's a lightweight summer kimono, perfect for how warm it is in here. So
Right.
I drew the long straw on that one right
Yeah.
today. But so everyone shouts in response, yukata do it.
Yukata do it.
So I'm hoping if you all will indulge me, that when we do the ribbon cutting, that right before we can say, do you kimono? And then when we cut the ribbon, everyone can shout, yukata do it. Are we all good with that?
Yukata do it. All right.
Okay, cool.
Awesome.
All right, so let's get everyone,
Well, photo first,
yeah,
right?
everyone
Okay.
from Family Tangerine, come on up.
Come on up.
Yeah, that means you, Tangerine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Yep.
Come on up. If you feel comfortable taking off your masks, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine too.
Yeah. It's up to
You
you.
want to
And
single out
yeah,
of this
yeah, and then the
Yeah.
city officials as well. You're
Yes,
now,
you're all.
you're here.
all-
You're officially
you're
Team
part of the
Tangerine now. So
family.
come
You're
on
part of
up.
Tangerine. Come on up.
Come on up.
Sure, thank you.
Nothing.
Okay.
Although you're tall, so we may have to.
Yeah, you're gonna be
We're gonna
probably
put you.
right
We're
here.
gonna put you right there.
I'm
'cause
pretending
you are
to be
tall
tall
right
today.
now.
And I'm on borrowed time on these things.
Okay, that sounds good.
All right.
All
Oh
right.
wait, and I'm prepared for this.
Haha.
So this comes to us from the Kyoto Kimono Association, and it says Kimono Day.
Yep. Oh, cool.
All right. We all ready?
Right.
All right. Which camera do we look at first?
All of them.
Yay! Just let us know when to stop smiling. Okay. All right. Okay. Now I can hide this back up here again where it's not going to bonk anybody in the head. I'm so sorry. Only I won't be the one dancing because I have no rhythm. So, all right.
Let's go.
All right. Okay.
All right. Are we good?
I'll look down. There'll be dramatic scissors.
What are you
Ready?
gonna say to us?
All right. So, do you kimono?
Yukata do it!
All right.